4 tablespoon oats. Wash well. Add 50 milliliters of water and soak for 10 minutes. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Add 50 milliliters of water and soak for 10 minutes. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. 3 dates. Remove the seeds. A half apple. Cut and peel it. Cut into pieces. Transfer into a bowl. Seven almonds. After soaking, take a blender and put all ingredients. Add 200 milliliters of water. Make puree of all the ingredients. You can drink this drink as a breakfast. That will fill you up with energy and nutrients, and help you lose weight rapidly. Pour into a glass. Sprinkle cinnamon powder. Chopped dates. Chopped nuts. Thanks for watching.